Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm going to be teaching you how to apply false lashes in very simple steps. It's beginner friendly and it's super quick. If that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. For this tutorial, we're going to be needing lash glue. I'm using this one from Duo. It's the white one that dries down clear. We're also going to be needing a mirror to see what we're doing, and we're also going to be needing lashes, of course, and then mascara. This one is from Huda Beauty. And first step is to go in with mascara and just coat your lashes evenly. Now, the reason for coating your lashes is to give your original lashes a lift, and also so that when the falsies come on it, they can look as one. Now we're going in with that lash glue from Duo, and I'm just going to apply that as close to my lash line as possible, like where the falsies will be, where we're going to be attaching the falsies to. That is where your natural lash line meets the falsies, if that makes sense. Trying to explain where you're applying that. So you want to make sure that you're not placing that glue too up. You're as close to your lash line as possible, and it's okay if you stain your own lashes. You can easily just clean it out. It's okay if you have shaky hands like me sometimes. You can go in, you can just keep going in and out until you probably just get it to where you really want it to stay. And then when you're done, you can now get like wipe or something to just take off the excess that might be on your lashes, so it's not like gummed together or tacky or whatever, as you can see me do here. And I'm just cleaning all that excess out from my original lashes, and I'm also applying that glue on the falsies as well. Now these are used lashes. I think I used them once. However, if you're working with like new lashes, you want to kind of like just give them this little bend to loosen them a little bit. I decided to show you guys that just in case you're working with a new lash. Now you're going to take your mirror and you're going to kind of place it down, kind of like you're looking down into the mirror. That way you can effectively see your lash line, and then you just drop that lash on top of your eyes like so. Now because we've allowed that glue to kind of like get tacky a little bit, and there's the glue on your lash line and on the falsies, it's easier for it to just stay put. So yeah, that's the reason why I probably like the technique of applying on your lash line and on your lashes. It's easier that way. You just place it there in the center, and then you now start to like adjust it accordingly without it moving around, moving around where you don't want it to go. So so the jerk is wait for the glue to get tacky a little bit, and then just adjust it like so. You drop your lashes on your lash line. It stays automatically because there's a glue there, and you just start adjusting them. And when it's that stayed, you take your hands like so and just press them together. So like I said, the lash and your lashes are like one. They just look like one instead of having that separation. Like you can see your lashes and the falsies, they look as one. And the mascara beneath kind of like also gives it something to hold on to as well. And that's it, guys. It's super easy. You just keep adjusting it, keep pressing until it feels very comfortable on your eyes. And if you don't want to use your hands for this part, even though I feel like using your hands as a beginner is like less intrusive and is more comfortable, you can actually just use like a tweezer or whatever that, or a lash curler, whatever. And as you can see, the lashes are like staying strong, seamless. It's not tacky, there's no excess glue. The glue has dried down now, clear, is staying put. Now I'm just going in with that same mascara on my lower lash. Now we need both up and down to look sexy. You can't like wear falsies and then just leave your lower lash looking bare. They need to look awake too. They need to look sexy as well, for lack of better words. And that's it, guys. It's super easy. I hope that this tutorial helps anyone who actually has been finding applying their lashes difficult. And I think the most important thing is to actually get a lash that actually suits your eyes. That's the most important thing, and just make sure that it is something that actually suits your eyes, and then apply this technique. Also make sure that whatever lash glue you're using is gives you that grip, like it's good enough to give you that grip without being overwhelming or irritating to your eyes. If you made it this far and you do find the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay beautiful.